Hey guys, Dan here from VidorTech, and today I'm going to be taking you through an unboxing of the Sony Alpha 7 III. Really excited about this camera. I'm currently shooting on the Canon T7i. Wanted something that was mirrorless, and just because it was going to be more compact and it was going to be a little bit lighter as well. So really excited to try this thing out. I also wanted something that was going to be 4K, and so this thing does it all. Let's get into the unboxing. So here's the Sony A7 III. So we first open here and we can just peel this back. And it looks like right away we're going to get into all of our documentation. So we've got our 1-year warranty right here. We've got register your digital imaging product for a chance to win a $100 prepaid card. Lenses and accessories for the entire Alpha lineup and QR codes for each of them, which is a nice touch. We've got our reference guide, our instruction manual, and then our French equivalent as well. So we go ahead and open this up, and right away you're going to see the Alpha 7 strap here. It's branded. And on this side, it looks like it is our lens. Let's pull that out. There it is. Nothing else in there. We peel this open, and it looks like we are going to get our wall cube, which is really nice to see. We've got our battery here as well, which is going to be bigger than I'm used to on mirrorless cameras. I've used the Canon M50 before and it had a much smaller battery. This is about twice the size, which is great, and it is pretty big actually. And then as well, we've got our multi-purpose USB cord here as well. So then moving on, here we have the actual camera. All right. So this is definitely heavier than I was expecting it to be overall. Definitely got some weight to it. But generally speaking, I mean, it seems like a really nice camera. We've got the red rim here, which is a really nice touch. The cleanest the screen will ever be. And it isn't actually a fully articulating screen. So you're going to notice that if you pull this out, it's only going to tilt down or it's going to tilt up, but you're not going to be able to flip it right around. So no selfie shots for vlogging, that sort of thing. You're going to want like an external mount for that. Now as we do go to open these panels here, we've got our headphone jack and our mini HDMI here, or our micro HDMI. And on the bottom we've got our USB-C and then our multi-purpose USB there. We open this port here, and it looks like we're going to get our mic jack. And it looks like here we have our plug-in for power. So on the right side here, there's a little toggle, and if you pull that, you're going to see slots for 2 SD cards here, which is really nice to see. Not something you typically expect from something in this price range. And then on the bottom, of course, we have the battery. I'm not going to be able to take you through a walkthrough of this because as per all typical cameras, it does not have a charge on it. So let's just set that aside and look at some of this other stuff. So like I said, here we have the battery, and it's quite thick. It's a really big battery. And here we have our lens. So this is the 28 to 70 millimeter. It's 3.5 to 5.6, so it's a pretty good range. Let's see if I can conquer this. So I'm going to pull these out. You're just going to line up the white here with the white on there and slide it in. And there it is. So you can see it is quite a big camera. It still definitely has some weight to it, even though it is mirrorless. It's quite big. But all around excited to try it, see how the 4K and everything works on this thing. Then we have our wall cube as well. and of course our USB. And we have our Alpha 7 strap. Okay guys, so that's everything for this unboxing. Really excited to show you more future videos filming with the A7 III. If there's anything you want to see specifically on this camera, by all means, let me know and I'd be happy to do another video on this as well. Always hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and I'll